If you're thinking about buying Loose Moose, there are 7 things you definitely need to know before you make that decision. And trust me, this is important because Loose Moose isn't just another product on the market. It stands out for several reasons that could make or break whether it's right for you. Stick around because I'll be breaking down exactly what you need to consider, especially compared to its competitors. And at the end, I'll show you how to get the best deal and a completely free trial. Next thing to understand about Loose Moose is the ease of use. Unlike other similar products in the market, Loose Moose really shines when it comes to user experience. You don't have to be a tech expert to get started. The interface is intuitive, and the setup process is straightforward. Competitors often have confusing onboarding processes, but here, you're ready to roll without needing to dive into a pile of documentation. The fourth thing you need to know is that Loose Moose comes with excellent customer support. This is a huge deal, especially when comparing it to some of its competitors. There's nothing worse than being stuck with a product and having no one to turn to. Loose Moose offers fast response times and a team that's genuinely knowledgeable. I've personally had a couple of questions, and their team had me sorted in minutes. Another thing that sets Loose Moose apart is its performance. I've used a range of similar tools, and many of them struggle with maintaining a fast, seamless experience when scaling. Loose Moose delivers here. Whether you're using it casually or pushing it to its limits, the speed and stability are consistent, something competitors sometimes fail to match, especially at higher usage levels. The sixth thing to mention is its flexibility. Loose Moose is designed to grow with you, offering a range of customizable options. This means it's not just a one-size-fits-all solution. If you're someone who values having the freedom to tweak settings, adjust features, and adapt the product to your needs, you'll appreciate the adaptability that Loose Moose offers. Many competitors lock you into rigid systems that don't scale as well. Here's another point that's often overlooked: integration capabilities. In today's world, no product exists in a vacuum, and Loose Moose excels at integrating with other tools. Whether it's your CRM, email platform, or data management software, Loose Moose makes it simple to connect with your existing ecosystem. This is a real advantage when compared to other products that require extensive workarounds or don't offer as many integrations. Now, let's talk about the price. Loose Moose offers exceptional value for the money, especially when you compare it to competitors who either charge hidden fees or ask for a premium price for similar features. You're getting a robust, feature-rich experience for a fraction of what other products cost. Plus, the free trial offers a real no-strings-attached way to test it out, so you're not gambling with your budget. The last thing to know is that Loose Moose constantly updates its features and listens to user feedback. This level of attention to detail is rare in the industry. Most competitors release major updates sparingly, but Loose Moose is always evolving to meet user needs, ensuring that you're not just getting a product today, you're getting an investment in your future. If you're on the fence about whether Loose Moose is the right choice for you, let me make it easy. Click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and try it out with no risk. Plus, by using my link, you'll unlock some exclusive benefits you won't find anywhere else.